So I finally got access to Seedance 2.5, and yes, this is not a clickbait video. In this video I'm going to share some of the live demos, some live examples with you, and I'm also going to share the platform where you can use it before anybody else. So I'm very excited. Let's jump right into the video. Everybody on the internet is just showing their pre-generated demos and no one is actually telling you where to access this AI tool. But to access this, go ahead to this website seedance.ai and you'll find the link in the description below. Go to the tool section and in the video section, search for the Seedance. And once you have it, you're gonna see we have the tool Seedance 2.0 video model, and these are a couple of the videos that I have been testing from last few hours, and these are live examples, and I'm also going to share some live prompts with you. But if we look at this statement, it says that this is Seedance 2.5 preview model. Yes, it supports the 30 seconds long videos, as you can see, and it also supports the 30 references. It also supports the 10 video references and also 10 audio references, but this is preview version. Now let's give it any prompt to see if it actually works. So this is a lengthy prompt. This is going to be a cinematic one take shot because it supports the 30 seconds long video. So we're going to test its one take shots, how good it actually is. I'm selecting the duration to the 30 seconds. And right now in the preview model, you have only 720 and 480 pixels. Let's go with the 720 and hit generate. All right, so here is the output and let's watch this.
Hey guys, are you enjoying?
So this was very impressive. This was a continuous shot and obviously it kept the character consistent. The only flaw here is the quality, the video quality, because this is 720, but other than that, the motions and everything was perfect. And next I tried the image to video output. So this was the uploaded image and this is the prompt. This is a lengthy prompt. And again, we're going to be using the 30 seconds duration, and here are the results. So the scene starts with a girl walking on a street. So we uploaded the monster picture and this is the consistent picture of this monster. He throws the bus at this woman and we can see the slow motion effect. Then she turns into some kind of magical witch or something. I also mentioned in the prompt she splits the bus and you can see the motions are really good. Then she attacks this monster and I also mentioned that the monster drops on the ground with the tongue out, and you can see in this video. So it followed the prompt really well, not just follow the prompt, but the motions, everything was really good. And here's another output where this man was using his teleportation powers to defeat the enemies, and just look at that. It really looks like straight out of, the Marvel movies where the character was, using his speed and all that. So this one is also a really good output. And if we talk about the pure cinematic experience, this was the prompt I used: a young warrior riding a massive black dragon, and this is the output. And again, the only flaw here is the video quality, but the motions are much better than the Seedance 2.0. This is much more mature and improved model. And here's another video where a monk was meditating and his companion snake appears and they start to fight with each other. In this one, the motions are not as impressive as the previous outputs, but yes, the quality isn't really good. But again, this is the preview model, the Seedance 2.5. The actual main model will be coming soon, and obviously there will be 1080p or maybe 4K quality. So this is just the hands-on experience. This is the first impression. This is not the expert review. We will be testing the AI influencer things. We will be testing the UGC ads. We will be testing some other cool stuff on this platform, and we're going to be covering a series of videos on this tool before its actual release. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And that's it from today. See you in the next one.